Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is kind of a weird video. I'm recording in San Jose because this video is one of the probably last San Jose vlog videos, and don't mind my eyes, so I think there's something in it. This is probably going to be the last vlog of me going to San Jose because I don't know when I'm going to go anymore. I mean, I did used to go, I used to do the birthday vacation to Silicon Valley videos, but for my birthday, I'm doing something different this year, so I don't know about this year. So, let's go. Turn off the PS5. Oops, wrong button.
All members of Dub
Drives on Moody, takes him on a baseline, Cruz goes outside. Long the jumper out of the way by Alado, good rebound Moody.
Oh wow, this is a big room.
Want more?
Nothing. Yeah, boy, a lot. PayPal.
Taco Bell's new Lux value menu has 10 indulgences.
That's a lot. Yes, I feel welcome already. I'm not ready for this at all. I just want to jump in. The hog from Lion King. Yeah, they're making out. Parrot, say subscribe to iThomas041.
Yeah, he's being echoed. There you go.
They're also on a little bit of joint supplement that way just to help them stay a little happy. Every day we're doing what we call wellness assessments just to make sure everyone's happy. If it comes
Hi, Stina. How many wallabies do you see standing here?
Have you seen wallabies?
I see it.
Here we have Timon from Lion King. Oh yeah, he's shy. I have a better camera than him. Goodbye. one's not till 11:08. But when's the next one for Bonaventura? It's 11:05.
Same lane. You gotta go over the same lane.
This looks familiar. Oh, it's on the surface. Oh, I think it's confused. Yeah, I don't know why people are crossing and like, yeah. Alright, if you guys are going to Super Bowl at Levi's Stadium, listen up. Bye-bye.
had to drink car.
Hey, so that was the San Jose vlog. Yeah, like I said, I don't know when exactly or how many times I'm going to be able to do San Jose vlogs or when I'm going to go back to San Jose. So, yeah, so if I post a San Jose vlog or whenever I go, I'll just pick up my camera and record. But the one question is, if San Jose didn't have VTA, would I still love San Jose? And so with that, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Bye. Yeah, I put a little lanyard on my phone case because when I was doing those out the window shots, I was holding my phone just by this little pop-up ring thing, if I can get it open. But yeah, I was holding it by this little ring thing, and I don't know how much this can take because this is just a cheap phone case off of the TikTok shop. So yeah, I have to use a lanyard because I don't know